like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey y'all, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this awesome silk press. I'm going to be using Colorwow's Dream Coat to prevent the humidity and keep my hair from frizzing back up. And I also switched from a ceramic to a titanium flat iron. So if you want to see all these results step by step at home, make sure you keep watching. Hey y'all. What's up? I know I look crazy right now and my room is really messy, but I'm gonna be doing a silk press on my hair. Well, usually when I do silk presses, they don't last. As soon as I step outside, my hair gets poofy. But I heard that Sephora had this new product called Colorwow's Dream Coat. So it's supposed to be like, I think it was a keratin treatment on your hair, and it's supposed to block the humidity. So I changed that in my silk press routine, and I got a new flat iron. It's a titanium one instead of ceramic. So I don't know, we're gonna see if this works. But yeah, everything else in the process is basically the same. Everything will be linked down below in the description as usual, and stay tuned.
I fell back at that baby, no. I did the mother thing, I did the white way back. I think it's quite clear now. Use me, the bad guy. Hey yo, I'm the one who won the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations, one of them dogs and they all fictitious. I done been to really blocks, push the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action, heard they want action. Bitch, we ain't taking no action. So I said get them that traction, and that distraction. Then I'm a lot of like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches don't be mad once I call this meeting. Cause they gotta move around, once the queen is queening. But to put out all this crap, cause my fiends is fiending. I put these bitches on game, cause you be kissing my feet. I tried to keep them from press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nikki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds want me hunted, I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull up this Ferrari, then my shit is in the trunk. I just go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them bitch to go up, it's smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe, shout out to Kimbler though. But it's them beat bars thinking that she distant for me. I graded your homework, bitch, is it complete? You was trying to be my son, then mission complete. I'm the final level, bitch, that you on a mission to be. It's like COVID when the cook is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't putting with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a game stop. He ain't gonna hesitate if I tell him to change something. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. We mean the people in bikini, that's at the next house. Fuck you so good, I got them walking with the stressed out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. I fall back and just give them some space. Cause when you already won, what the fuck is a race? Look at the fucking for raps, oh, what a disgrace. I put that on 85, none of these bitches are safe. Niggas they get hard, so this I brush up, but we tryna be stuck though. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in a hot dog. Sex game still cold as I don't igloo. Head game slicker than little Miss Gorilla Glue. He tryna eat it up, I said come and get it boo. While I count a mill, jiggle what jiggle. Like damn.
Alright, so my hair has been rinsed out and towel dried. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it. At this step, I'm gonna spray the Colorwow's stuff on it. I watched a few other tutorials and they were basically saying that don't put any other product with it or it's gonna like mess it up. So I'm like, all right, whatever. I won't do my usual steps. We'll see what happens, honestly.
She in her mood, like damn, she in her mood, like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
I'm gonna use my usual Kiss blow dryer with the comb attachment, and I'm gonna see what's up.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get.
I feel like I'm gonna go over again with a round brush just to make sure it's really straight. And yeah, but I'm gonna make sure it's dry for right now.
Hey, I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me but wanting my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Never get me wrong when I happen. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing it.
This is my hair blow dried, so now I'm gonna start the straightening process, and hopefully it gets a lot straighter. Hold on. So this is the new titanium flat iron I got. It's by Kristen S. And yeah, I'm excited to just start and see how well it is. I'm gonna put it up to 380 because that's what it says on the Dream Coat bottle. And hopefully I only have to do one pass, so I'm gonna try to do tiny sections, but we'll see. I forgot, I'm black. I need to do hot comb, so I have to do this hot comb step first before I do the flat iron. So I'm gonna just fast forward. I'm mainly gonna focus on like my roots. I'm not really my ends. So yeah.
Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. You Barbie, big Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. I'm not falling on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. On the phone when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. You go.
Oh my god, my hair is so silky right now. My roots are like so straight. This is the best silk press I've had yet. I didn't go over to do the ends to give them like a little bump and stuff like that. So hopefully that will cut down on this frizz toward the end. But my roots look amazing. I'm so happy. Like, it's so shiny. So yeah, let's get this done because I'm hungry and I want Chinese food.
Oh, listen, wait, me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do it. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you baby, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talking about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna love you right. Take me for a ride, right? Show me what's outside, right? Know it's been a while, but I wanna love you right. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some maybes. Don't be better than that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Ain't a hold up on that shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient.
Okay, so I just finished bumping it. I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes just so like the curls could cool down a little bit and I'm not freaking combing them out when I brush my hair out. But fingers crossed, so far this has been the best silk press I've had yet. I'm gonna see if it lasts against the humidity outside. So I'm gonna go outside, get some food, come back, and then show y'all what my hair looks like. Okay, so they're pretty much dry. I'm gonna take them down. I'm gonna see what's up. You know. So far, alright. I'm so nervous. I'm nervous to go outside, actually. That's the true test. This is a little warm on this side. I'm like, should I just do it to my hands or get the comb? I'll just use my hands for now. But as you guys can see, this silk press is amazing. Okay, I'm about to run outside to get some food, and we gonna see. I just got back home from getting the food. I'm gonna try to comb it out because the car window was open, and the wind just, it tore my hair up. So, there's, oh, not really gonna be any curl once I finish combing it out, but I'm gonna wrap it in a second anyway. Let me see. This side looks hot, like how I left it. This side did get a little poofy at the end, but honestly, I'm not mad. I think my hair looks absolutely amazing. It stayed straight. Usually my hair would have been like so poofy, would have been an afro. So, yeah, I'm happy about that. Obviously, it's not bone straight. Well, I put curls in it, but yeah. Overall, I'm happy with the product, and I will be using it every time I do a silk press on my hair. Okay. But yeah. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This whole process took like 2 days. Well, I started last night, so it wasn't that bad. Honestly, I absolutely love the results. I stand by this product and flat iron. Honestly, I don't know if it was one or the other, or it was two of them combined. I don't know, but I absolutely love, love, love the results. And I'll catch you guys next week. Later. What's it called?